Oh, yeah. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. The execution is coming up right here. And here comes the demon drop. Oh, he's fighting. Oh. Oh, execution style right there. Booyaka. Alright, we're going to put him in there for a little bit. And then once this dude wakes up, he's going in execution style. So like I said, we're going to boil it for a little bit. And then at the end, we'll show the full review. Alright, YouTubers. Alrighty, YouTubers, here's the second one. He is alive, so definitely pretty cool. And here comes the drop. Oh. Oh. Oh, I heard a little cracking sound. There you go. There is the Beals Lobster Pier out in Maine. Whoop, he took the drop. Over there, right there, like that. And they got instructions how to cook them, so that's really cool. And once you get the order, they'll leave you these little pamphlets that shows you how to prep them and how to eat them. So I gotta put the lid on it. And alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with the final part. And they are in their little hot tub right now. This guy's got about a minute or so left, but that guy is going. We'll zoom in on him. Oh, there he is. Look at that, nice and red. And bam! Oh, fumble. So there is our co-host right there. And this one should be coming out just about now. So, really easy to prep. Takes a few minutes. You got him. He's got to snip out those rubber bands. Look at that redness right there. Oh, sorry about that. Here's the cousin right there. All nice and red and ready to be opened up and ate. So, I'm going to let them cool for a second. They got the twins right there, nice and steamy. So there you have it, YouTubers. I'll be back for the cracking. Alrighty, YouTubers, here's the final resting spot for these two guys. Got them nicely cooked, boiled, and now I'm about to crack it open for a second. And then, like I said, taste is really good. Definitely the premium lobster right here. Oh, poor little Larry. So, like I said, check them out on their website. And check them out on goldbelly.com. So, they could just ship to you in no time. They also got mussels and other stuff, other seafood related products. So, take some browsing. Let's see what it, oh, there's a cracker. And there we go. Look at that. We got the special tools. We got the butter. So, alright, YouTubers, I'm going to enjoy. You guys be safe. Have a great day. And see you guys.